Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. My name is Alex, and let's see what's been happening on the internet computer. Starting off with Bob Budley, who updated us on the Ordinal marketplace Bioniq, calling it the first dedicated Ordinals marketplace built on a Bitcoin sidechain. The marketplace is built on ICP, which means it's fast, has no fees, and it has a great user experience. The team is in the final stages of testing before releasing it to the public, and in the Twitter thread, Bob underlines the benefits of using ICP's CKBTC in order to have much faster and cheaper BTC transactions. So imagine how big CKBTC is for the BTC Ordinal communities. You can basically trade Ordinals at speeds which are much quicker and for fees that are much less. We should all strive to find a way to share the news and let everyone know the tech is on ICP. Not too long ago, I mentioned in one of our videos that Dfinity has assigned a grant pool of $5 million for teams that choose to develop AI technology on the internet computer. And one of the first dApps to do that is BlockCypher, an AI-powered ICP Insight tool which has made its debut earlier last week. The platform utilizes AI to decode complex internet computer data. Since ICP is one of the more technical blockchains out there, I'm really happy to see AI being put to use to simplify data interpretation for both the normal user as well as the developers. The dApp is currently in a gated early access, so you need to apply and be selected in order to get access to the tools. You can now transfer and hold your ICP on Ledger Live and secure it with your Ledger device. Ledger Live, with over 1.5 million active users, empowers you to buy, sell, swap, stake, and lend your digital assets and explore the internet of value with ownership and security. This is great news for users who don't want to hold their ICP on exchanges or in a hot wallet, although a very good alternative is to have your assets in your internet identity, with the added benefits that you can also stake your ICP and earn up to 17% APR on your funds, which 17% APR is nothing to laugh at. It's a pretty good return. Funded App, one of the top crowdfunding platforms on the Internet Computer Protocol, announced that they made a few upgrades to their marketplace. Since investors receive NFTs as part of backing projects, secondary trading is a major aspect of the platform. The marketplace looks clean, and the available collections are those who have crowdfunded through Funded App. In an earlier tweet, they announced the return of Cap Crowns, a collection of 10,000 crown NFTs that were airdropped to active plug wallets in the past. Catalyze One, an ICP-based Discord-like platform optimized for building and growing Web3 communities, has ended their SNS sale just short of their 650,000 ICP soft cap goal. The team tweeted that the floor was not met due to technical issues experienced by a key investor near the end of the raise period. So we're probably talking about a whale buyer who was supposed to buy the remaining 70,000 ICP worth of tokens, who was not able to do so. We don't clearly know what happened. However, it's not the end of the world, as the team can take the feedback provided by the ICP community, keep developing their app, and resubmit their SNS proposal in a couple of months for a new chance to raise their funds. The SWOP, a Web3 media company, announced that they have received a Dfinity grant to build a news app. Besides covering a lot of things happening in the crypto space, the SWOP is doing regular spaces with the ICP community. I must say that I'm happy to see that a news company is receiving one of those grants to build something that will spread the word about the internet computer, as we need to onboard as many people to the great technology that ICP provides to the crypto space. Boxy, a popular ICP NFT collection, chose to offer some more of their Box tokens to the ICP community through an LBP round held on the decentralized exchange Sonic. The team offered 20 million tokens out of the 85 million in total, which is close to 25% of the whole supply, which is a very generous amount of tokens. The sale has just ended at the time of recording this video, probably ended like an hour ago, and the Boxy team managed to raise close to 5,000 ICP, and at the current price, that is just under $20,000. So $20,000 for 25% of the whole token. This would make the token market cap $80,000. It has a ton of room to grow. If Boxy will be one of the successful NFT projects in the future bull run, I can see this going up to $80 million valuation or even higher. Listen, no financial advice, but this has the possibility of being like the next 100x or even 1000x token if this game will be successful. Now, I assume the team knows best, but $20,000 to develop a game of this magnitude, if they have, other funds available, it shouldn't be a problem. But either way, I'm looking forward to see what they will do, and especially with the new tools coming on to the ICP ecosystem, which will cut months of work. I'm pretty sad to see the difference between SNS launches in terms of total ICP raised compared to an LBP round done by one of the OG collections on the Internet Computer. So we've seen millions of ICP for dApps on the SNS, and Boxy Dude only managing to raise close to 5,000 ICP. I'm sad to see, but I guess we're still in a deep bear market for ICP NFTs. Hopefully the NFT collections that keep developing their games, once the games are out, we will see a revival of the ICP ecosystem, and we'll see more money flow into NFTs because the volumes are down, the floor prices are down, everything is going down, and it's looking grim. You can't blame the investors, but I think us as a community, we should be, more active and, spread the word about the NFT collections. Because if we don't, then who will, right? Speaking of NFTs and games, last week I've had the pleasure of talking to Tommy, the co-founder of BoomDAO, on a podcast where we went over the tools they're building and their upcoming SNS launch. The podcast is longer than our usual episodes, but it's packed with information about their upcoming tools and how they aim to change the gaming ecosystem of the Internet Computer. So I really recommend you watch it, especially if you're interested in ICP gaming and the gaming infrastructure that they are building on the Internet Computer. And finally, Poke Studio, the creator of one of the most popular ICP NFT collections, has shared another sneak peek from the upcoming Delta City demo, an upcoming game made in partnership with iDark Studio. I would assume that this human figure would be replaced by a Pokebot NFT, and you'll be able to walk through the city and meet other people, which is pretty cool. And that is all for this weekly review. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and share it with a friend. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you in a future episode.